In this video, we will list the top 4 mechanical keyboards you can buy in 2023. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more content like this. Let's get started. Number 4. Keychron C2. This full-size mechanical keyboard from Keychron comes with all of the typical functions of your standard mechanical keyboard, including a full-size layout, hot-swappable option, Gateron switch, a Type-C cable connection, and over 15 types of RGB backlighting. The Keychron C2 is available now on Amazon for just $65. Number 3. Razer Pro Type Ultra. Razer takes the number 3 spot on our list with the Pro Type Ultra. Its sleek and beautiful white design makes it stand out from most keyboards on the market. Razer makes an important distinction in the quieter switches and durable design that lasts for up to 80 million clicks. The Razer Pro Type Ultra is available now for around $160. Number 2. Corsair K70 MK.2. This classic keyboard comes with everything you'd expect from the Corsair brand, including a durable aluminum frame, Cherry MX key switches, and dynamic RGB backlighting for every key. The lighting and programming can be done through the Corsair iCUE software. It is available now for about $160. Number 1. Keychron Q6. Keychron takes the center stage again with the Q6 keyboard. The fully assembled version comes in 3 different color sets, with PBT keycaps and Gateron G Pro switches. Its all-metal CNC machine body ensures durability and a long life of performance wherever you need it. The Q6 also features a programmable knob for things like volume or zoom control. It will work with both Windows and Mac and features a simple switch to change between the two. With QMK and VIA support, you can program the keyboard to your liking. The Keychron Q6 is available now on Amazon for about $225. That was our list of the top 4 mechanical keyboards you can buy in 2023. Are there any other keyboards that you would add to the list? Let us know in the comments below. Please be sure to like the video and subscribe for future content like this. Thanks for watching!